Who has been appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option B, Justice Surya Kant. Who has taken charge as 35th Director General of the National Cadet Corps? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Who has been appointed as the new President of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option B, Nirmal Kumar Minda. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who was appointed as the Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shirish Chandra Murmu. Who has been elected as the new President of BCCI? Correct answer is option B, Mithun Manhas. Who assumed charge as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force? Correct answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Accounts? Correct answer is option B, TCA Kalyani. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary to Vice President CP Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is option B, Amit Khare. Who has been reappointed as the Attorney General of India? Correct answer is option C, R. Venkatramani. Who was sworn in as the new Chief Justice of Bombay High Court? Correct answer is option C, Justice Shri Chandrasekhar. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police? Correct answer is option C, Praveen Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new President of FICCI? Correct answer is option C, Anant Goyanka. Who assumed charge as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sonali Mishra. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Correct answer is option C, Dr. A. Rajarajan. Who took charge as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan. Who recently assumed charge as Financial Advisor, Defense Services? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund? Correct answer is option A, Urjit Patel. Who has taken charge as the new Chief of RAW? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Correct answer is option A, Ajay Seth. Who was appointed as the India's first ever mental health ambassador by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Correct answer is option B, Deepika Padukone. Who was appointed as the new Commissioner of Delhi Police in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Satish Golcha. Who has taken charge as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the International Cricket Council? Correct answer is option B, Sanjog Gupta. Who was reappointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes till June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Ravi Agrawal. Who was appointed as the new governor of Haryana in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Shasastra Seema Bal? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Who took charge as the Vice Chief of Army Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General Pushpendra Singh. Who became the first woman officer to serve as an aide de camp to the President of India? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant Commander Yashasvi Solanki. Who has been appointed as the director at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Correct answer is option D, Ajay Kumar Srivastav. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Sansad TV? Correct answer is option A, Utpal Kumar Singh. Who has been appointed as the first woman Vice Chancellor of IGNOU? Correct answer is option B, Professor Uma Kanjilal. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library? Correct answer is option B, Ashwani Lohani. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of the Department of Revenue in the Ministry of Finance? Correct answer is option B, Arvind Srivastav. Who assumed charge as the new Controller General of Defense Accounts on 1st August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rajkumar Arora. Who was appointed as MD and CEO of Life Insurance Corporation of India? Correct answer is option B, R. Doraiswamy. Who assumed command of the Indian Naval Academy on 1st August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Manish Chadda. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Communications Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Vandana Gupta. Who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kavinder Gupta. Who has been appointed as the new Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Keshwan Ramchandran. Who has been appointed as the new Director of Botanical Survey of India? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Kanath Das. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who has taken charge as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option D, Gyanesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the CEO and Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever Limited? Correct answer is option A, Priya Nair. Who has been elected as the new president of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option B, Zhou Ziai. Who has been appointed as the Global Tourism Ambassador for the Maldives? Correct answer is option A, Katrina Kaif. Pushpati Ashok Gajapati Raju has been appointed as governor of which state on 14th July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Goa. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct answer is option C, Tuhin Kant Pandey. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the India Semiconductor Mission? Correct answer is option C, Amitesh Kumar Sinha. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief of Army Staff Strategy? Correct answer is option A, Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai. Who was appointed as the new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of SBI Cards and Payment Services? Correct answer is option B, Salila Pandey. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the Oman India Joint Investment Fund in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Satish Chhawa. Who has assumed charge as the Chief Executive of the Indian Banks Association in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Atul Kumar Goyal. Who took charge as the first woman secretary of the Department of Legal Affairs in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Institute of Economic Growth in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sabyasachi Kar. Who assumed charge as the new managing director and head of Meta in India in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Arun Srinivas. Zomato partnered with which celebrity as their new brand ambassador? Correct answer is option B, Shah Rukh Khan. Who was appointed as the Chief Operating Officer of Apple in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sabih Khan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Fertilizer Association of India? Correct answer is option B, Sailesh C. Mehta. Who has been appointed as sweep icons for Bihar by the Election Commission of India? Correct answer is option A, Neetu Chandra and Kranti Prakash Jha. Who has been appointed as a part-time member of the 16th Finance Commission by the President of India? Correct answer is option C, T. Ravi Shankar. Who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador for Audi India? Correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Who has been appointed as India's new ambassador to Sweden in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anurag Bhushan. Who was appointed as the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court in May 2025? Correct answer is option D, Justice K. Somshekhar. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B, S. Mahendra Dev. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the reconstituted National Security Advisory Board in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Alok Joshi. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Electoral Officer of Bihar? Correct answer is option B, Vinod Kumar Gunjial. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, retired Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Who has been appointed as the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Who recently became the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option C, Kirsty Conventry. Who has been appointed as the new secretary of the Department of Agriculture, Research and Education and director of the Indian Council of Agriculture Research? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Mangilal Jat. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option D, Mirabai Chanu. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority? Correct answer is option B, Siva Subramaniam Raman. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Poonam Gupta. Who was appointed as CEO of the Government e-Marketplace? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gaba. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option C, Dr. V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the managing director and chief executive officer of IFCI Limited? Correct answer is option B, Rahul Bhave. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Who has been appointed as the Principal Secretary second to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikant Das. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of the Food Corporation of India? Correct answer is option B, Ashutosh Agnihotri. Who has been elected as the new Chairman of GSM Association? Correct answer is option B, Gopal Vittal. Who has been elected as the new Chairman of Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage? Correct answer is option D, Ashok Singh Thakur. Who has been appointed as the new Chancellor of NIIT University? Correct answer is option B, Amitabh Kant. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option D, Satish Kumar. Who has been named the Fit India icon by the Union Sports Minister in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ayushman Khurrana. Who has been appointed as the new Vice Chairman of Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Lakshmi Venu. Who was sworn in as the ninth Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option B, Kash Patel. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Standard Chartered India? Correct answer is option C, P.D. Singh. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Nirwan. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India in March 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indranil Bhattacharya. Who has been elected as a bureau member of United World Wrestling Asia? Correct answer is option D, Sanjay Kumar Singh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Tata Communications in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Who has been appointed as the new Ombudsman and Ethics Officer of the BCCI? Correct answer is option B, Justice Arun Mishra. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for World Para Athletic Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kangana Ranaut. Who has become the first woman at the camp to any Indian governor? Correct answer is option A, Squadron Leader Manisha Padhi. Neeraj Chopra has been conferred with which honorary rank in the Indian Army's Territorial Army? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant Colonel. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Question number 1 is, who has been appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? The question number 2 is, who has been appointed as the new president of FICCI? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.